Guess they're flocking up and getting ready to head south. Snowflakes coming down here and there. I don't know what they're all eating out there. They're brown-headed cowbirds. They must be flocking up, getting ready to migrate. The wind sure is blowing them around back there. Steve got most of the leaves raked up and blown away, but they keep blowing back. He said they're forming snowdrifts around the house. There they all go again. Up in the trees. And they all go back down to the ground. Goofy birds.